Hey everyone, I'm excited to share my YouTube channel at j2Wanders. Join me on walking and biking tours to vibrant cities, beautiful landscapes, and hidden gems. Your support not only lets you explore stunning places with me, but also motivates me to stay active and healthy. Subscribe and walk with me. Your support and encouragement mean everything. It inspires and helps me keep moving. I put together a few special video clips that highlight some of the best moments coming up on my channel. These clips are a great way to catch up on what we've been up to and see the kind of content you can expect. And that's not all. You can watch the full 360 degrees video footage right here on my channel. It's an immersive experience you won't want to miss. Thank you so much. Let's start walking, make every step count, and stay healthy together.